Probably the vast majority of you do not know all the various uses and benefits of coconut oil. This video will promote the significant advantages of coconut water utilization. It is a fact that coconut water has for all intents and purposes comparative structure to the blood plasma which is shown in the circulation system in each of us. Thus, this surprisingly wonderful water made far-reaching use in the past war conflicts when it was regularly utilized as a substitute for blood plasma in light of the fact that it was basic for the survival of a limitless number of war casualties. The various injured and harmed individuals were given coconut water amid awful and prolonged battles. Nowadays, coconut water is extremely popular and is used all around the world. It can be found in numerous business sectors around the world, so we all have the chance to enjoy its benefits and enhance our health and living. Even if you do not find it extremely tasty, you must not reduce the use of one of the healthiest detoxifying waters on the planet. Benefits of coconut water. Coconut water is extremely beneficial for health and provides various favorable effects. It has positive effects when used in the process of weight reduction, a jolt of energy, reinforcing of the immune system, protection from microbes and diseases, and many others. A full cup of coconut water in the morning harmonizes electrolytes whose irregularity can at times be the foundation for hypertension. Coconut water invigorates the generation of thyroid hormones. Moreover, it is a natural diuretic, so it is extremely beneficial in cases of kidney disorders. Similarly, it helps the urinary tract and bladder channels, leaving them clean and infection-free. It dispenses with poisons from the body and lessens issues brought on by kidney stones. Moreover, coconut water helps you strengthen your immune system. It destroys the microbes that cause urinary tract infections, gonorrhea, gum disease, and the infections that cause flu, infectious illnesses, and typhoid. Coconut water contains increased levels of fiber, so it enhances absorption too. Its regular consumption alleviates issues brought about by stomach acid. You can consume coconut water in vast amounts since it contains almost no fat. Moreover, it keeps you feeling full and diminishes your appetite, so it helps you to get thin and keep up a good body shape. Drinking coconut water can offer an awesome support of vitality for individuals who experience the ill effects of chronic fatigue. The prescribed measurement is 40 to 50 milliliters taken every day. One full cup of coconut water every day will likewise be adequate for moisturizing your skin and keeping it shiny for the duration of the day. The consumption of coconut water after strenuous physical exercises is very effective as well. It's invigorating and as immaculate as the common spring water. If you experience acne issues or have combined dry oily skin, you can drench a cotton ball in coconut water and apply it to the skin. It scrubs and stimulates the skin, and it doesn't close the pores, unlike many other creams and products. It can also help you purify your body. When blended with olive oil, the coconut water evacuates intestinal parasites. Doctors say that coconut water can be a significant help to commonly solve some well-being issues amid pregnancy as well. Next time you have a headache or a hangover after a party, use this wonderful water which will help you dispose of the headache. By drinking coconut water you likewise remunerate the lost fluids and defeat the sickness that is oftentimes connected with a hangover.